and it's day 18. 18 is a lucky number, and we are still working with the wealth theme at this section of the Make Your Shift in 27 Days. And right now we're in the dining room, and the dining room is auspicious for several reasons. And one of it is it's a gathering place for people. It's a place where you need to make it welcoming for the comings and the goings. And it's also a space where you probably have some nice dishes to bring out, or silverware, or make a little special effort for a centerpiece and display some of your nice dishes, whether they be from a heritage line or they're just something really special that you wanted to show people. And here we are in the middle of COVID, and there's not going to be a lot of hosting and fancy dining and things, but you can still make it nice for you. A couple things happening in the dining room here too. You've got to choose your print. Now this one, we've got so much light in here, and I had a great big mirror that I usually put over the buffet, but it just wasn't going to work in this space. So I chose a print. I'm not sure of how well you can see this. There's people walking through the park, and so there's comings and goings, and I thought that was a nice theme to bring into this open concept area here. The other thing for a display on your buffet, just like this one has about 27 things, and so we're going to look at this right now. I am ready to move it into more of a holiday theme, but I want to show you some of the rules. I'm going to pause this and I'll show you back in a few minutes. Some of the rules here. Well, first of all, I've got some greeting cards that I want to display. So the rule of thumb on these horizontal surfaces is to leave about 50% space, blank space. And what it is it's circulation for all the lovely things that you're displaying, for one. So with circulation, you get that chi energy, you get that powerful, gosh, this is beautiful and roomy. It's like we're looking at in all the drawers and shelves that we got now. Now that there's extra space, everything seems so much more grand, right? So you could kind of spread your wings a little bit. But it's so easy on these types of things to start putting your devices, your chargers, greeting cards, spare dishes that you need to put away and stuff. And these things can get crowded really, really fast. In fact, in some of our courses, well, we've got our Home Harmony Balance course that talks about how to set a wealth cure in your dining room here as well. And you certainly don't want to keep disrupting this over and over again. So what we're going to do now, because it's turning into the holiday season, I'm going to bring out some of my nice linens and redo this display to embrace this season regardless of COVID. And when you set your table, I mean, some people have a table for 8 or 10 or more in their dining room, but if there's only 2 of you, you don't have to set the whole table, because then it looks like nobody's coming to visit. So just set it for 2. Put out a special placemat for each of you, 2 wine glasses, 2 candles, 2 this, 2 that. And, or if you've got the family of 4, make it an intimate spot just for you and make that very, very special. I'm going to pause this and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in just a minute. So here we are, presto changeo. I found a nice linen that I like to use this time of year and cleaned it up a little bit. I've got a little wreath that was stored downstairs that now I have 2 candles in there, a little more bling in here to draw attention, and changed out the flower arrangement a little bit for welcoming. I've got lots of room here to display my greeting cards. Greeting cards and thank you cards and things are so important for self-esteem these days. And I really highly recommend that if you can send something snail mail, it just makes such a big difference. If not, take a picture. Send the same card out to 100 people on your email list if you like. But everything like that means that you're appreciated, you're loved, someone's thinking of you. And again, the dining room can just be so amazing for nurturing, for love, for gatherings. So make it special for you and your family together this season, okay? We've only got 1 week to go with our challenge, and then we're looking ahead into the new year. So I want to share as many secrets and tips as I can with you then. Anyways, have a great day. See what you could do with your dining room area, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.